Well, this morning here we're gonna work on getting this hitch put back together. Got the parts from John Deere here. New bolts and the one block. So we can get this all put back together. Hopefully we get some good enough weather. Kind of hazy this morning. Get the baled. Get all this second cut baled. Let's take a look. I didn't get a chance to look at this yet. Yeah, I got one bolt there that's broke off. Get it out and see if we can get this all put back together. Make sure the other bolts ain't broke off up in there. I don't think they are, but they could be. But we'll get working on this. Alright. Let's see if I can get this bolt out. Right there. It's moving. Oh, that was easy. Yep. Oh, that wasn't too bad. It came right out. Well, we'll clean them out real good and get ready to start putting the new stuff in. Slide that over there. There we go. All I just need to torque them down and be ready to go. Well, we're heading up here. Try and get some of this baled. The forecast has been pretty good so far, but they're showing a little line of storms heading this way. I don't know whether it's going to make it out here or not, but we're going to try. See how much we can get it done. Hopefully maybe it'll hold off so we can get all this baled. This here's buckwheat. If anybody's wondering, this is buckwheat. It's looking pretty good. We got this piece up here to do. And then we got one piece over at the other farm. And then we got a straw piece to try and get done. If everything goes good. A little bouncy right here. see, but that straw piece is right over there. It's right below that house you see right there. That's the straw piece. It goes all the way over to the barn there. So hopefully we can get all this wrapped up. Everything on here. See how she does. See how many bales we get. Make sure our counts. Nope, gotta reset the bale count. Button. There we go. Alright. Bale count reset. Off we go. Yeah, no, I didn't clean my back window. Still filthy. So. Moisture's looking good, 15. That's better than I thought. Turned up a little bit of green on this. Keep on going. Well, we're trying to get this here field finished up because it looks like we might not make it to the straw. Looks like that rain's gonna catch us before we can get everything done. Keep trying. It hasn't started sprinkling yet. We just got a couple windrows right here to get. And hopefully we can get some of that straw done. See how it goes. Well, so far we're still going along here. Looks like the rain might have split us. See how it goes, but so far it's looking good. Well, I guess that does it for getting that baled. It wasn't much of a shower, just enough to stop you from baling the straw. So we'll see how it goes. It's supposed to be nice tomorrow, so maybe we'll be able to get over there and finish baling that tomorrow. That put an end on it for today. There's some thunder. Thought I was hearing some thunder. Oh well. Hopefully we can maybe get her finished up tomorrow. Well, it's the next day after that shower yesterday. We didn't get a whole lot of rain, just enough to stop us from baling, keep the dust down a little bit. So we're heading back over to that field. Went ahead and rolled it this morning, turned it a little bit so we get a little bit of air under it. Got that done. We'll head back over here and try and get it wrapped up. It's looking pretty good. It got a little bit warmer today than they said it was going to, so it's about 2:15 in the afternoon, after 2. So we'll go over, see how it is, and get it all wrapped up. And then we got the bales to move from this piece and what we made already. So we'll get that done either today or tomorrow. We got our bull needs sorted off. The bull renting. He needs pulled off and sent back because the guy we're renting it off of is going to be ready to start using them. That's what we're up to today so far. So, well, just bring you along for the ride and see how things go. Go. We're going along. 16% moisture. Everything's going good. Looks like it's gonna make a good bit of bales. I'll just end up using it for bedding. Just set it up here and see if I can do a time lapse or something. Let's see. Now got her baled up. Now we're out here gonna gather the bales up. And we're gonna put them right over there by that silo for now. Then we'll load them out later. Just get them off the field because we got some clover growing under here. We got 37 bales off this piece. Not too bad. We'll just spend some time here getting these bales moved off. Yeah, just put a second cutting bale into the steers here. Got all the bales moved off that piece. So that about does it for today. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, share, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.